So what's up, you guys? I got my lift bolts in the mail today from Monkey Wrench Racing right here. So I decided to do a replacement video on these lift bolts on my 2005 Toyota Corolla 2ZZG. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so in this case I have a strut bar. So we got 2 bolts down here and 4 nuts up there. So you want to go ahead and remove these with a 12mm socket. Alright, so now you're going to need a 10mm socket. Helps if you have an extension. I think there's about 13 bolts all right here. And there's one back there, all along the back. And one last one right there. And then we have the spark plug boots. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. It's gonna be a 10mm socket as well, along with these 2 right here. All right, so next thing you would want to do, go ahead and get rid of these 2 bolts. Loosen those. Disconnect any wiring to the spark plug boots, like that. And then over here, there's going to be 2 hose clamps that you want to go ahead and disconnect with some pliers. Alright, so once the spark plug boots are out, take them all out and put these vacuum lines somewhere, tuck them back here. I'll move everything out the way. Just so once you take this valve cover off. Now down here, so you're probably going to have a tough time taking this off. You might need a flathead, something to pry it open. Alright, so as you can see, took off my valve cover. Now here are the 2 lift bolts right here. You want to see them right here? 1, and that's 2. We got the new lift bolts right here, so we're just going to replace those real quick. As you can see the difference from new to old. Alright, so now you want to go ahead and tighten these, but not too tight. I know these lift bolts have a habit of snapping, so just a little snug. Alright. Yeah, alright, so now you want to go ahead and put your valve cover on. So as you can see back here, there's kind of like a spout that needs to fit flush into that hole right there. And no matter how hard you try, it won't work unless it sits flush. Alright, so now with the valve cover on, you want to go ahead and reverse the process we've done. So go ahead and start with these hoses. Go ahead and put them back on, along with the boots. Go ahead and plug them back in, and all the bolts will go back together the same way you took them off. Alright, so you just want to go ahead and make sure everything's on there snug and tight. Remember that you are idling at a very high speed when your RPMs go up there. So you just want to make sure everything's on there right, along with the hoses and the clamps, spark plugs. Yeah, and that'll be all. Alright. Thank you for watching.